your hands, isn't it? Very good. So today children, we are going to see two topics. One is Chitrakatha. Chitrakatha means picture story. And another one is our grammar part, Vyakaran, in which we are going to see Ling. Ling means gender. So first we will start our class with Chitrakatha, which is in page number 19, 20, 21 and 22 in your textbook. See children, what are you seeing in the screen? Yes, many pictures are there. In this picture, are you able to see two animals? What are the animals, children? Yes, one is cat and one is lion. Cat means Billy. Lion means Sher. Billy or Sher. And the topic of the story is बिल्ली कैसे रहने आई मनुष्य के संग. In these pictures, we are going to see बिल्ली कैसे रहने आई मनुष्य के संग. It means how the cat came to live with a man. What we are going to see children? How the cat came to live with a man. बिल्ली कैसे रहने आई मनुष्य के संग. मनुष्य means man, आदमी, इंसान. Okay, human being. So in this story, now see children, first picture, बिल्ली अपने मौसेरे भाई शेर के साथ एक जंगल में एक बड़े महल में रहती थी. बिल्ली अपने मौसेरे भाई means cousin brother. So lion is the cousin brother of cat. So बिल्ली अपने मौसेरे भाई शेर के साथ जंगल में एक बड़े महल में रहती थी. जंगल means forest, महल means palace. So one cat used to live in the big palace in a jungle with her cousin brother lion. Okay, लेकिन वहां वह खुश नहीं थी. But she was not happy there. लेकिन वहां वह खुश नहीं थी. खुश means happy. She was not happy there. बहन. See, now lion is calling her. बहन means sister. Sister. Oh, आई भैया आई, आ गई. What she said? Oh brother, coming. See, I came. मेरे खाने का वक्त हो गया और तुमने अभी पत्तल भी नहीं बिछाई. What lion said to cat? It's time to my meal. It's time to my food. मेरे खाने का वक्त हो गया और तुमने अभी पत्तल भी नहीं बिछाई. पत्तल means leaf, the leaf in which people eat. Okay, so it's time to eat now and still you have not laid my leaf. तुमने अभी पत्तल भी नहीं बिछाई. पत्तल means leaf, पत्ता. बस अभी बिछाती हूँ भैया. The cat got scared because lion was angry. So what she said? बस अभी बिछाती हूँ भैया. Wait brother, wait. Now itself I will lay your leaf. बिल्ली तुरंत केले का पत्ता ले आई और शेर के सामने बिछा दिया. The cat brought that banana leaf and she laid in front of lion. Okay, so बिल्ली केले का पत्ता means banana leaf ले आई और शेर के सामने बिछा दिया. आज सुबह मैंने भेड़िया पकड़ा था ना, वह परोसो. What that lion said? Today morning I have caught one wolf. भेड़िया means wolf. What lion said? Today morning I have caught one wolf. That only you serve me. वह परोसो. परोसना means to serve. So what lion said? Today morning I caught a wolf that you serve. Yes, then cat served that. बड़ा मजा आया. That lion had full wolf and said, oh, it was too tasty. I enjoyed a lot. बड़ा मजा आया. पेट भर गया बहन, साफ कर लो सब. What that lion said? Yes, my stomach is full now. Now you clean everything. He had full stomach and he said to the cat, now you clean everything. लो, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा मेरे लिए. रोज यही होता है. What that cat said? See, today also he didn't leave anything for me to eat. कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा मेरे लिए. रोज यही होता है. And daily same thing only happens. He is eating full thing and he is not giving me to eat anything. So what that cat said? See, this time also he had fully. He didn't leave anything for me to eat. Daily this only happens. एक दिन शेर बीमार पड़ा और उसका हाल पूछने बहुत से जानवर आए. One day what happened? The lion became sick. So for asking about his health, many animals came from the jungle. उसका हाल पूछने बहुत से जानवर आए. बिल्ली ने जानवरों का स्वागत करने के लिए सबसे बातचीत की. To welcome all animals, the cat spoke to each and everyone. Okay, well, whoever animal came to see the lion, the cat spoke to everyone with love. तभी बहन, नाश्ता बनाकर सबको दो, जाओ जल्दी करो. That only that lion asked the cat to make or to prepare some snacks for everyone. जाओ जल्दी सबके लिए नाश्ता बनाकर लाओ. भैया, घर में आग तो है ही नहीं. Then what that cat said? Brother, there is no fire at home. घर में आग तो है ही नहीं. तो जाओ आदमियों की बस्ती से सुलगती लकड़ी ले आओ, भागो. Then what that lion replied? Then go to the village of human being. Go to the village of man. आदमियों की बस्ती से सुलगती लकड़ी लेकर आओ. सुलगती लकड़ी means smoldering wood. Okay, the wood which has already fight fire. So what that lion said? Go to the village of man and bring some wood from there. आदमियों की बस्ती में जाओ और सुलगती लकड़ी ले आओ. That lion ordered the cat. तो बिल्ली भागी. Then the cat ran and पत्थरों और झाड़ियों को फलांगती हुई गांव में पहुंची. Then she crossed stones and bushes, many trees, and reached to the village. Then some children were playing there. वहां देखो. Then they saw there. वहां देखो. Look at there. That children saw the cat. By seeing that children, that cat got scared. Then the children said, डरो नहीं, हम तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Then what that children said? Don't get scared. We will not do anything to you. Don't get scared from us. The children told to cat. The girl touched the cat and said, कितनी मुलायम और रेशमी. How soft it is. मुलायम रेशमी means silky, soft. So that girl said, how soft, how silky you are. How cat will be na very furry, very soft. जिस काम से बिल्ली आई थी उसे भूलकर कई देर तक बच्चों से लाड़ करवाती रही. So for what reason she came to the village? She forgot everything because children were playing with her, children were giving love to her. That is why she forgot her work. मुझे कभी किसी से इतना प्यार नहीं मिला था. Then what that cat said? Yes, I didn't get love like this from anyone. मुझे कभी किसी से इतना प्यार नहीं मिला था. अचानक जोर की गरज से जंगल कांप उठा. Suddenly with some voice that forest started shivering. कांप उठा. Like that the sound came. It was roaring sound of lion because lion was very angry. Lion started roaring loudly. Because of that all jungle got scared. कांप उठा. Then suddenly the cat remembered. Oh, मुझे सुलगती लकड़ी ले जानी थी. मैं कैसे भूल गई? Oh, I came here to get some wood. How can I forget this? बिल्ली एक घर में घुसी और एक सुलगती हुई लकड़ी उठाकर पत्थरों और झाड़ियों को फलांगती हुई भागी. And what that cat did? She went into one house, took one wood and ran towards the palace. Last page, page number 22. अचानक फिर वही खतरनाक आवाज आई. Again that sound came. Ho! That roaring sound of lion. और कांपती बिल्ली ने शेर को देखा जिसकी आंखें गुस्से से लाल थी. Then what that shivering cat saw the lion whose eyes were red with the anger. That lion was very angry. वह इतनी डर गई थी कि उसने जलती लकड़ी उसके पैरों के पास डाल दी. The cat was so scared because of that wood fell down on the leg of lion. उसके पैरों पर गिरा दी और कूदती हुई वापस गांव पहुंची. And what she did, she ran again towards the village because she was getting too much of love from the children. So again she ran towards the village. देखो, बिल्ली वापस आ गई. जरूर शेर ने उसे बुरी तरह डराया होगा. What the children said? See, that cat came again here. I think she got scared with the anger of lion. हाँ, हमारे पास रहो नन्ही मुन्नी. What the children said? Yes, you live with us. Nanni Munni means small cute cat. You live with us. The children said. वापस मत जाओ. नहीं जाओगी ना? You don't go back. You will not go, correct? So like that, children said to the cat. नहीं, कभी नहीं. Then cat said, no, never. I will never go to that place again. नहीं, कभी नहीं. और इस तरह से बिल्ली मनुष्य के संग रहने लगी. Then like this, that cat started living with the man. Like this, the cat started living with the man. So इस तरह बिल्ली मनुष्य के साथ रहने लगी. I hope you have enjoyed the story. How was the story, children? Good, na? See how much she was missing that love. In the story, we came to know that cat was missing the love and care. Okay, children. So this was our चित्र कथा. बिल्ली कैसे रहने आई मनुष्य के संग. Now, children, we will move to our next topic, that is व्याकरण, grammar part, in which we are going to see a new topic, ling. What is the meaning of ling, children? Ling means gender. Now tell me, what is gender? See, we have two types of gender. One is male, one is female. Male means masculine gender, female means feminine gender. Okay, masculine gender. It is the noun by which we identify that the personality or a thing is a male gender. Male gender. It is called masculine. Feminine means the noun or a word by which we identify that the personality or thing has female gender. That is called feminine. So in Hindi also we have two types of ling. Two types of ling. First we will see the definition of ling in Hindi. Ling की परिभाषा. परिभाषा means definition. पुरुष या स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को लिंग कहते हैं. पुरुष या स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को लिंग कहते हैं. पुरुष मीन्स मेल. पुरुष मीन्स मेल. स्त्री मीन्स फीमेल. स्त्री मीन्स फीमेल. जाति का बोध कराने वाले मीन्स to a word by which we come to know that the personality or a thing has either male gender or female gender is called ling. Okay, the noun or a word by which we identify that the personality or a thing is either male or female. gender, लिंग. So in Hindi we say पुरुष या स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को लिंग कहते हैं. Okay, in Hindi also संज्ञा, noun. Noun means what? What is the definition of संज्ञा, children? The name of any person, thing, place or emotions and expression is called a noun. Correct. In Hindi what we say? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. Okay, so the word which refers संज्ञा, by which we can identify that whether it is a man or a woman, male or female, is called ling. We have two types of gender, male and female. So in Hindi also लिंग के दो प्रकार होते हैं. दो प्रकार means लिंग has two types. लिंग के दो प्रकार होते हैं. First is पुल्लिंग. पुल्लिंग means male, पुरुष. Okay, पुल्लिंग means masculine gender, पुल्लिंग. And second one is स्त्रीलिंग. स्त्रीलिंग means feminine gender, female, स्त्री. Okay, in Hindi for male we use पुरुष, for female we use स्त्री. पुरुष, स्त्री, male, female, man, woman. Okay, so in Hindi for male we have pulling, for female we have striling. So now we will see the perfect definition of gender in Hindi. लिंग की परिभाषा. पुरुष या स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को लिंग कहते हैं. ये दो प्रकार के होते हैं, पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग. पुल्लिंग मीन्स मेल, स्त्रीलिंग मीन्स फीमेल. Okay children, now we will come to pulling. What is the definition of pulling? पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. It means the word by which we identify that the personality or a thing is male or man. It is called pulling. पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. Understood? For example, आदमी. आदमी means man. Is it male or female? Male. Very good. So आदमी is pulling. घोड़ा, horse. घोड़ा is a male or female? घोड़ा. Yes, male. So pulling. दादाजी. दादाजी means grandfather. Grandfather. Father is male. So pulling. Correct. Now in animals also we have pulling and striling. Isn't it? See, lion, lioness. Peacock, peahen. Cock, hen. We have this male and female in animals also. Correct. So in Hindi also we can say like this. Peacock, more. Pulling. Okay. Then sher. Pulling. Lion. Same like this. Boy. Ladka. Pulling. Raja. King. Male na? So pulling. So these are the examples of pulling. Now we will come to striling. Striling is a feminine gender. What is the definition of striling, children? स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं. स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं. It means the word by which we identify that The personality is a female or a woman. It is called Striling. Okay. Now if I will say mummy, mother. Is it male or female? Female. Correct. So mother is Striling. Mataji. Mataji means mother. Correct. So Striling. Behen. Behen means sister. So sister is a girl or a boy? Girl. So Striling. Morini. Peahen. Striling. Sherini. Yes. Lioness. Striling. So these type of words which describes the personality of a person is called ling. Okay. So pulling and striling. Masculine gender, feminine gender. Male, female. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Brother, sister. Son, daughter. Father, mother. Okay. These are the examples of pulling and striling. Male gender and female gender. I hope you have understood clearly. I will revise once. लिंग की परिभाषा. पुरुष या स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को लिंग कहते हैं. ये दो प्रकार के होते हैं. पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग. पुल्लिंग मीन्स पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. मेल जेंडर. स्त्रीलिंग, स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं. फीमेल जेंडर. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो पुल्लिंग मीन्स मेल, मैन. स्त्रीलिंग मीन्स फीमेल, वुमेन. So now we will see some examples of pulling and striling. Now we will change from pulling to striling. How to do? Shall we see? See, first one is bachcha. Bachcha means child. Okay, bachcha means child. Male child. Boy child. Okay. What will be the striling of this? Bachchi. Female child. Girl child. So, bachcha, bachchi. Bachcha, bachchi. Ladka. Ladka means boy. Ladka means what? Boy. What will be the female gender of boy? Girl. Ladki. Boy, girl. Ladka, ladki. लड़का, लड़की. Okay. Dada. Dada means grandfather. Dada means what? Grandfather. What will be the female gender for Dada? Yes. Grandmother. Dadi. Grandfather, grandmother. Dada, Dadi. Nar. Nar means male. Man. Nar means what? Man. Admi. Nar means man. So what will be the female gender of man? Woman. Man, woman. So in Hindi, nar, nari. Nar, nari. Nar, nari. Raja. Raja means king. Raja means what? King. What is the female gender of Raja? King? Queen. So queen means Rani. Raja, Rani. Raja, Rani. Sher. Now I told us sher means lion. What is the female gender of lion? Lioness. Lion, lioness. In Hindi we say sherini. Sher, sherini. Sher, sherini. Okay, lion, lioness. Beta. Beta means son. Beta means son. What is the female gender of son? Daughter. What is the female gender? Daughter. Son, daughter. Son means beta. Daughter means beti. Beta, beti. Beta, beti. More. More means peacock. What will be the female gender? Peahen. So, Morini. More, Morini. More, Morini. Bhai. Bhai means brother. Bhai means what? Brother. What will be the female gender for brother? Sister. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Bhai, behan. Bhai, behan. Okay children, so these are the some examples for pulling and steering. I hope all of you have understood clearly. So in today's class we have learned one चित्र कथा, बिल्ली कैसे रहने आई मनुष्य के साथ, and grammar part लिंग. So revise at home children. Okay, then we will meet in next class. Till then be happy, be safe, don't go anywhere. Okay children, thank you, धन्यवाद.